Hey people, today we're going to make a slime with rocks. I got these from Dollar Tree, and they're like these tiny little sand rocks, decorative. And I'm just going to attempt to make some crunchy slime. And they're colored green. So yeah, first I'm going to make some slime. So I'll need some glue, some slime activator, which I put in this container, some lotion, and a marker, and mixing tools. So let's get started. So I'm just adding my glue. Some soap and some lotion. Then just mix it up. And here I'm just adding a little bit of shaving cream. And just putting some slime activator in and forming it. So this is what it looks like. It's a little bit sticky. And I just want it that way so I can put the rocks in. So I'm going to add the rocks now. I'm going to hope it's not a fail. Wait, yeah, I forgot I need to color it a little bit with a marker. So just, yeah. And if I need more, I'll just do that. And I'm just going to mix it in. Just keep on adding more. And I'll just hope that it's crunchy. So just keep adding more and more. So this is my finished product. It's not crunchy, but the texture is really nice. It's really satisfying. It's really grainy and really satisfying. And I still have a lot more of the rocks, but I think this is a good amount. And this is white glue. And again, I got the rocks at Dollar Tree in the section where like the decorative like glass is, like garden stuff, like, I don't know, fake flowers. And this is white glue, yeah. But again, it's really satisfying. And I would totally recommend it. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you try this, and if you do, leave thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.